Okay, still switching to the Phillips screwdriver here. Getting the top shield off of the cameras and proximity sensor ribbons. Right here, you'll raise the camera up, take out the earpiece speaker as so, and then you'll have to apply the heat some more. This part is adhered in there and you gotta heat it up to get it out. This is where you have to be very careful because you need the spudger for this. You need to pull out each sensor very carefully, as so. Right here on the contact points, you have to start on this side and get up and under each one of them to get it started. You want to be very careful that you don't go from this direction because you can pull the sensor apart, in which case you need a whole new piece. Made that mistake a couple of times. Sometimes if it's fighting you, you can just take up the whole thing like that. As not to damage anything.